Today we're going to change an air filter inside the cabin air filter, and this is for a 2007 Hyundai Sonata. And first we start by removing this part right here. It just kind of will pull stuff out, kind of pull it out like that. And then there's a clip back here that we're going to have to take off. Find the clip here. And we're going to open up the glove compartment, and it should just pull down like that. Find some more coupons back there. Then you can see right here we got to squeeze these two things and pull it out. And there it is. Definitely needed changed. And then we will take this one out of the box and that should lift right up out of there. Like so. Boy, was that thing dirty. And then slide the other one underneath here and under there, straighten it out, and get that leave off of there, push it back in there. You'll hear it snap into place, and it's that easy, and probably just saved yourself about $30. That's it. Put the part back on here. Let's see. There we go. It'll just snap back into place. And that's it. All done. If Grandma can do it, you can too. Thank you.